My boyfriend asked, "Are you gonna go the other way once the construction's done?" I'm like, "No, I just cut 5 minutes off my time." And so don't think of it as a detour that's negative. Think of it as a new way, something that you end up liking better and gives you better options, gets you doing something that's different. Because your body will get very used to what you're doing, and your body wants variety. And so it wants you to change. So, first, we talk about how you sell yourself, all the different ways that we sell ourselves. I'm going to have this. I'm sure there's a sweetener in this, and it's not really cheating. This isn't a diet. But realize that when you're cleaning your taste buds, you are starting over. It's like a game, where you have to go back to start. So you're cheating yourself. You're not cheating on a diet. Again, another way that we sell ourselves. And so I want you to start writing some of these down. How do I lie to myself? Because that's really what a sales pitch is. It's an indirect way to get what I want, but it's in the long run, maybe not what I want. So start looking at your sales pitch. We all have one. We all have things that are our Achilles heel. The things that when the restaurant is out of this, you're crazed. They don't have this particular brand that you really like or this particular thing. And that's what you came there for. The things that you don't think you can live without, but you really can. I can't tell you the number of people that have told me, I have had this for my whole life. I do not think I can do without it. And then when they went back after the program and tried it, they didn't like it. They didn't want it. And so it's important to understand that what in your mind you think you can't live without, your body is, oh, I am so past that. It's not even a problem anymore. I don't know what you're thinking. And so start to look at that.